The tools we're going to need for this project are a Phillips screwdriver, a straight edge screwdriver, the two plastic pieces that fit on the window, and the channel bars that fit into the window frame. Let's look at the channel bars for a minute. This is a 2950 channel bar. The 29 represents how long it is. This is 29 inches. The 50 represents the weight that the spring is providing to help you lift and lower the window. I want to show you a close-up of the channel balance real quick. The top has a plastic piece that fits into the temporary retainer that's in the window frame, while the bottom has a hook that fits into the hole in the window frame. What are you doing? Hey. To get ready for removing the window, open up the retaining clip on both sides of the frame and pull out the window blocks. We remove the window by lifting it as high as we can and then pulling to the left. We remove the balances by pushing down on the top to get it away from the retainer clip and then lifting out of the hole. Let's go ahead and replace the plastic pieces at the top of the window that we removed. You will need to do this on both sides of the window. Let's go ahead and open the retaining clip so we can install the window. In this shot, I'm just highlighting where the hole is that the hook will go into and the retainer that the top plastic piece will go into. Now it's time to go ahead and attach the channel balance to the side of the window frame. And you'll have to do this on the other side as well. The retainer clip closed on me, so I had to push the channel balance to the wall so it wouldn't move, open the retainer clip, and I also used the screwdriver to help push down on the top of the channel balance. The channel balance is installed. We want to insert the left side of the window into the frame as far as it will go and as high up as it will go, and then do the same on the right hand side. Here I'm putting the window blocks into place and pushing them all the way to the top. Okay, that's it. We're done. I hope you found this useful.